Use different Python version with Virtualenv. How do I create a virtual environment for a specified version of Python?
Note: for Python 3.3+, see the Elfin's answer below. Use the Python, or short, P, option when creating a virtualenv instance to specify the Python executable you want to use, e.g.
Since Python 3.3, the documentation suggests creating the virtual environment using slib. Also, if we want a particular version of Python, let's say 3.6, then we can use. Make sure to install the reference version of Python along with your existing system Python.
These are the steps you can follow when you are on a shared hosting environment and need to install and compile Python from source and then create venv from your Python version. For Python 2.7.9, you would do something along these lines. Virtualenv. Naturally, this can be applicable to any situation where you want to replicate the exact environment you work and deploy on.
There is an easier way. Thanks to a comment, this only works if you have Python 2.7 installed at the system level, e.g. a USR, a bin, a Python 2.7. Otherwise, if you are using Homebrew, you can use the path to give you what you want. You can find the path to your Python installation with which Python, Linux, or py-0p Windows. This will also work with Python 3. Ultimately condensing to